So this is how tires are made. When you see the whole production process to understand why a car tire is so expensive. This is a large-scale automobile tire factory. The raw material is natural rubber cut from these trees. In addition to natural rubber, synthetic rubber, and some chemical materials are also needed. The workers will put them together on a conveyor belt to a pulverizer that mixes them well. The well-mixed granules are melted and rolled by the machine to form the rubber skin for tires, but it's still just rough material to be turned into tires. There's still a lot of work to be done. The rubber skin is stamped with the date of manufacture. It's cooled down enough to set the shape. Then they're fed into a large dryer. To dry the moisture from the rubber's surface, the dried rubber is then stacked on top of each other. The basic materials for the tire are now ready, but the real work has just begun. They are then transported to the workshop. Multiple pieces of rubber are transported on a conveyor belt into the finishing presses. Through the machine, the rubber is rolled into a thinner rubber skin. For the outer layer of the tire, a series of numbers are rolled to indicate the size of the tire. 245 is the width of the tire. 50 is the thickness of the tire. 20 means it's only for 20-inch wheels, but that's just one of the markings. Next, the worker installs a paint spray gun on the machine to paint two lines of color on the rubber of the conveyor to differentiate between tire sizes and tread patterns. To prove that the tires are brand new, the lines are drawn. The rubber is transferred to a large cooling machine. It undergoes a series of coolings to stabilize the rubber and rolled into coils and set aside. Meanwhile, on another line, a rubber cord fabric is put into a cutting machine. According to the set specifications, the fabric is cut into diamond-shaped pieces. The diamonds are fed into a rolling machine to join the two ends of the fabric together without a pause. It's seamlessly transferred to the next process. It's wrapped with a steel cord to form a belt speed layer that increases abrasion resistance. Without stopping, the roller loader comes to the tread mounting station, wrapping the finished tread rubber around the belt speed layer. The tire is now taking shape. The inner layer of the tire is also being made. The rollers are wrapped in a layer of airtight rubber. This special rubber layer can increase air tightness. It prevents air leakage. On top of the airtight rubber, a crown band is wrapped. It is used to protect the belt speed layer.